Assalamu alaikum class 6. Today date is 17 Friday. Our topic is my first day at school. सबसे पहले आपने कोटेशन की लिखनी है इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में. The two best days of school, the first and the last. Then आपने नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ से स्टार्ट करना है. I still remember my first day in school. I was 6 years old. It was an unforgettable day for me. My mother woke me up in the morning. After a bath and breakfast, I put on my school uniform. I felt a little excited. My elder sister was in the 4th standard in the same school. Next paragraph start करेंगे. My father took us to school in his car. We parked the car near the main gate. We went to the principal office. He admitted me in the 1st standard. Then my father left for his office. I was led to the classroom. The class teacher was very kind. She made me sit in the first row. The students were kind and friendly. At 3 p.m. the bell rang and school was over. My sister came running to me. My mother met us at the gate. She came to pick us up in a car. इसको आपने अपनी कॉपी पे राइट करना है और उसके बाद आपने इसको अच्छे से लर्न कर लेना है.